Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Imran Qais bin Luqman and my matric number AA210726. So I would like to present about introduction. So for engineers, it is really important to be able to model physical problem and solve this equation using mathematical equation in order to study the behavior of system involved. Mathematical concept and various techniques are presented in a clear, logical and concise way. Various visual features are used to emphasize the area of focus. Complete illustration are used to facilitate mathematical modeling of application problems. Readers are motivated to focus on the relevance of differential equation through application in various engineering disciplines. The study of different types of differential equation is determined by engineering application. Then apply the theory and technique for solving differential equation to solve real engineering problems. Introduce a detailed step-by-step analysis to model engineering problem using differential equation from physics principle and solve in the simple way possible. This detailed step-by-step approach helps reader develop problem-solve skill, especially when applied to real-world engineering problems. That's all from
Problem statement part A. A certain radioactive material is known to decay at the rate proportional to the mass present. If initially there is 150 mg of the material present and after 2 years it is observed, then the material has lost 10% of his original mass. Find A. The expression for the mass of the material remaining at any time, and B. The mass of the material after 4 years.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zudin Faizul. My matric number is AA210581. Today I'm going to present about the solution of problem in part A. So in the part A, we choose the question 10. The solution is for the first question A is we need to find the PT that in the question is P equals 2, so we need to replace it with 2. T equals 2, so 19 per 100 times 115 equals 135 milligram. We get the weight of we get the new weight. And after that we use the formula and we put on the number in the formula, and after that we get E2K equals 9 per 10. So we need to solve it with using length. So the final answer for the question A is PT equals 115 E 1 per 2 ln 9 per 10 times T. For the question B is we need to find the volume. So we need to replace T equals 4, and then we need to put the number into the equation. So the final answer is 121.5 milligram. That's all for me. Thank you.
Problem statement part B. A dead body was found within a closed room in your hostel where the temperature was a constant 17 and you called the police. At the time of the discovery, the core temperature of the body was determined by the police, and it was 85. 1 hour later, the second measurement showed that the core temperature of body was at T. Assume that the time of this corresponds to and the core temperature of the body was found is 98.6. Determine how many hour time elapsed before the body was found.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sudaim Professor and method number is 8210581. Today I'm going to present the solution for the part B. For the part B, we choose the question 9. So the solution is T. We need to find the temperature of the corpse before the incident. So firstly, we need to find the TE. The TE is equal 70 degrees Celsius. T equals 0. It means the time of 0. The time 0 is equal 85 degrees Celsius. So we need to find the time of the corpse before the incident. The T is the temperature is 98.6 degrees Celsius. So we need to find the time. So we put the temperature into the formula, and then we get the equation which T equals 70 degrees Celsius plus 15 degrees Celsius E ln 0.667 times T. For the time is we need to equals it with 98.6 degrees Celsius. So we get 1.907 equals E ln 0.667 minus times T. So using ln, we can get the answer, which T equals ln 1.907 per ln 0.667, and the final answer for T is negative 1.594, or we convert it to hours, which means is negative 1.6 hours. So the time equals 1 hours and 36 minutes, or 1.6 hours. The ellipse before the body was found. So that the final answer of the question 9 part B. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hazmi Hezran bin Ahmad Kamil. Today I will present a part discussion and conclusion. For discussion, the mass of the material after 4 years is 122 gram and 1.6 or 1 hours 36 minutes elapsed before the body was found. In the nutshell, there are numerous situations and events that can be closely related to first order application subtopics, including calculating the electrical current in the complete circuit, calculating the temperature of the material involved in chemical reaction, and situation that can be closely related to our daily life. We are able to resolve difficult issue in our daily life as a result. As student, we must use the information we acquire as the guide to overcome more challenging obstacles. As adult,
and in the profession in the future.